buhay. Narito na naman tayo sa Faith On, pag-ibig na hindi tumitigil, panalangin ng isang alagad ng batas. Sa ating mga kapulisan, there are days when the badge feels heavier than unusual. When the noise of the world drowns the quiet cry of your own heart. You give, you serve, you stand your ground, and yet you feel unseen. But remember, God sees you, not just your service, but your soul. Sabi nga sa Psalm chapter 34, verse 19, "The Lord is close to the broken-hearted. Save those whose spirit is crushed." Even when the world misunderstands you, God understands you. Even you feel unworthy, He never stops loving you. He is the God of second chances, quiet strength, and unfailing mercy. Sa panghuli, nais kong ibahagi ang panalangin na ito sa ating mga kapulisan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, kapag ang mundo ay tila hindi ako nauunawaan, Ikaw ang aking kanlungan. Sa bawat pagod na hindi napapansin, sa bawat luha na itinatago ko sa likod ng aking uniforme, paalalahanan mo akong mahal mo pa rin ako. Hug me with your mercy, Lord. Let your love be the armor that protects my soul. Make me an officer of justice, but also of compassion. Heal the wounds that duty has left behind. And when I feel like giving up, remind me your love never gives up on me. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama,